In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Calendly calendar efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned pro at scheduling or new to the world of online appointments, understanding how to navigate and utilize your Calendly calendar can significantly streamline your scheduling process. So, let's dive in and get you up to speed. First, let's tackle the initial step accessing Calendly. To do this, you'll want to start by going to the official Calendly website. This is your gateway to a smoother scheduling experience. It's a simple first move, but an essential one. Just type Calendly's URL into your browser and you're on your way. Upon arriving at the Calendly homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to viewing your calendar. The site is designed to be user-friendly, so finding this button should be a breeze. For those of you who prefer the ease of using Google for signing into various platforms, Calendly has you covered. You'll see an option to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if you're looking to speed up the login process while keeping your accounts in sync. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for Calendly. Next, you'll be presented with a choice of Google accounts, assuming you have more than one. Here, it's crucial to select the account linked to your Calendly. This ensures that all your scheduling is aligned with the correct email and calendar. The interface is quite intuitive, guiding you through the selection process smoothly. Once you've successfully logged in using your chosen Google account, it's time to navigate to the Calendly dashboard. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your scheduling links, upcoming meetings, and, of course, your availability settings. Speaking of availability, finding out when you're free for appointments is a core feature of Calendly. To get to this vital information, you'll need to click on the Availability tab from your dashboard. This step brings you closer to the ultimate goal of viewing your calendar. The Availability tab is easy to locate, ensuring you're not wasting any time. Finally, the moment we've been working towards viewing your calendar in all its glory. Within the Availability tab, you'll find an option labelled Calendar View. Clicking on this will reveal your Calendly calendar, showcasing your availability across days, weeks, or even months, depending on your preference. This view is designed to give you a clear snapshot of your schedule at a glance, making it easier to manage your appointments. Now that you've accessed your Calendly calendar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. You can view scheduled appointments, block off unavailable times, and even customize your availability for specific days. It's a powerful tool that, when mastered, can significantly enhance your scheduling efficiency. Here are a few additional tips to make the most out of your Calendly experience. Regularly update your availability to reflect any changes in your schedule. This prevents any scheduling conflicts and ensures you're only booked when truly available. Explore Calendly's various settings and preferences. Customizing your scheduling rules can provide a more tailored experience for you and your invitees. Make use of Calendly's integrations with other platforms. Connecting your calendar to apps like Zoom or Google Meet can streamline your appointment setting process even further. Viewing your Calendly calendar is just the beginning. With practice, you'll discover all the ways this tool can adapt to your scheduling needs, making it easier than ever to manage your appointments. So there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to view your Calendly calendar. Whether you're a business professional, a freelancer, or anyone in need of organizing appointments, mastering this aspect of Calendly is a game changer. Remember, the more you explore and customize, the more efficient your scheduling will become. Happy scheduling, and here's to a well-organized calendar.